Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Cloud Run concepts. So today we are going to see what's a Cloud Run. We can develop and deploy highly scalable containerized applications on a fully managed serverless platform. Cloud Run is a managed compute platform that enables us to run containerized that are capable of being invoked via request or events. Cloud Run is serverless. It abstracts away all infrastructure management so we can focus on what matters most, building great applications. So this is the about the Cloud Run concepts which was given in the Google documentation. Now we are going to see somewhat Cloud Run. Cloud Run is a managed compute platform that enables us to run containerized that are invocable via request or events. So Cloud Run is a serverless, it abstracts away all infrastructure management. We can focus on what matters most, building great applications. So Cloud Run abstracts away all infrastructure management by automatically scaling up and down from zero almost instantaneously depending on traffic. So Cloud Run, again, another terms, Cloud Run is a fully managed compute environment for deploying and scaling serverless HTTP containerized without worrying about provisioning machines, configuring clusters, or auto scaling. So simple term, I could say what is Cloud Run. So simple term only, it is a fully managed compute environment to deploy and scale containerized applications. This is known as the Cloud Run in simple term. So what is a Cloud Run? Cloud Run, it is a fully managed compute environment to deploy and scale containerized applications. This is known as the Cloud Run. So next we are going to see features of the Cloud Run. First one is any language, any library, any binary. Second one is fully managed. Third one, fast auto scaling. Fourth, redundancy. Next, portability. And next is enhanced developer experience. And finally, paper use. Okay, first we are going to see any language, any library, any binary. So we can write code our way using our favorite languages such as Go, Python, Java, Ruby, Node.js, and more. So second one, we can use the programming language of our choice, any language or operating system libraries, or even bring our own binaries. So next one is a fully managed. So fully managed, no infrastructure to manage once deployed. Cloud Run manages our services so we can sleep well. That's what fully managed. And next is fast auto scaling. So Cloud Run automatically scales up or down from 0 to n depending on traffic. So this is the fast auto scaling features. So next one is redundancy. So Cloud Run services are regional, automatically replicated across multiple zones. Zones, it's nothing but availability zones. So next one is a portability. Cloud Run accepts standard container images and is built on the Knative open source project, enabling portability of our workloads across platforms. So next one, enhanced developer experience. It abstracts away all infrastructure management for a simple developer experience. A simple command line and user interface to quickly deploy and manage our services. It integration with Cloud Code and Cloud Build for continuous deployments. Last one, paper use. Paper use. So only pay when your code is running. Build to the nearest 100 milliseconds. So these are the features of the Cloud Run. How to use Cloud Run? So this is again I'm going to add this how to use the Cloud Run. With Cloud Run, we can write our code in our favorite language and or use to binary library of our choice. Then push it to Cloud Build to create a container build. With a single command gcloud run deploy, we can go from a container image to a fully managed web application that runs on a domain with TLS certificate and auto scales with request. So gcloud run deploy, it's the gcloud command. We can by using that command we can run this cloud run, gcloud run deploy. Okay, so next we are going to see difference between the cloud run and cloud functions. So how is cloud run different from the cloud functions? Cloud run and cloud functions are both fully managed services that run on Google Cloud serverless infrastructure, auto scale, and handle HTTP requests or events. They do, however, have some important differences also. So we are going to see in this video Cloud Run and Cloud Function differences. So Cloud Run supports the use of any tool or system library from our applications. So Cloud Function does not let us use custom executable. Next, we are going to see about the Cloud Run. While Cloud Run let us deploy container images using the programming language of our choice. Cloud Functions let us deploy snippets of code or functions written in a limited set of programming languages. Then we are going to talk about Cloud Run. Cloud Run offers a longer request timeout duration of up to 60 minutes. While with Cloud Functions, the request timeout can be set as high as 9 minutes. Last difference, while by default Cloud Run is configured to send multiple concurrent requests on each container instance, this is helpful to improve latency and reduce cost if we are expecting large volumes. About Cloud Functions only sends one request at a time to each function instance. So these are the uh, difference between the Cloud Run and Cloud Functions. So in our upcoming video, we are going to see the Cloud Run demo. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.